what's inside your sleeve. Like they might disappear if you breathe.